Hello students, welcome back to CLARIconcepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. Today in this lecture, we are going to talk about the pressure measurement using one of the very important device called U Tube Manometer. Okay. So as I discussed earlier also that pressure measurement has its own importance in the process and power industries where you will see lot of fluid networks, fluid flowing through the pipes, and measuring the pressure at different junctions of the pipe is very essential to make sure that the equipments, mechanical equipments like pumps, compressors, they are running in the optimal efficient performance, right? So in order to measure the pressure in the pipes, there are various devices that you can have. One of them is U Tube Manometer. We already saw piezometer in the earlier lecture. So today in this lecture we will see how to measure the fluid pressure flowing through the pipe using the help of U Tube Manometer. Alright. So basically piezometer we already saw, which has a simple basic mechanism of band tube, and it has a lot of disadvantages that we have also discussed, and in order to overcome those disadvantages, the U Tube manometer was introduced, and the people can use to measure the pressure of the fluid where piezometer cannot be used for measuring the pressure, right? So let us see what is this. So basically U Tube is nothing but a simple pipe which is in U shape, and the left portion of this pipe is of the tube is called left limb, and the right portion is called the right limb, and it also has a manometric fluid with it, right? So you have the fluid which is heavier in nature. So let's say the manometric fluid has density rho m, and this is nothing but the U Tube manometer basically, right? So this band U Tube with a manometric fluid is called U Tube manometer. Currently both the ends of the U Tube manometer are open to atmosphere, and therefore the pressure phase are exposed, both the surfaces of the manometric fluid are exposed to the atmospheric pressure, the same